Hello Rifleman, today in this video I'll show you my Airsoft loadout. But before we start, this is my first video on this channel. My name's Henry Pearson and I'm the Airsoft Rifleman, or as my channel name says, Rifleman Airsoft. So let's get on with the video and let me show you my loadout. Rifleman, my loadout consists of this DPM webbing kit. It has 5 individual pouches, and in pouch 1, which is on my left hand side, I like to keep a simple first aid kit. The first aid kit, if we're in an immersive environment in the dark, it has chem lights, which are like glow sticks, just industrial ones. This first aid kit is given to you when you pass the first aid course in the UK. Let me just grab it for you. And it is provided to you by the St John's Ambulance. Inside this kit is everything you need. Your bandages, straps, tape, scissors. Everything's in there. Let me just whack that back in the pouch and I'll be straight back with you. In pouch 3 we have a notepad and pen, keeping the simple things written down. Let me just get that out for you. It's just a simple green notepad and it can be used just to write anything down. Loads of pages left in that. Now on to the next pouch. In this pouch we have more chem lights. Just for when these are harder to reach, so I like to keep a few in the med bag so that they can be reached at the right time. So these, like a glow stick, you just snap it in half and everything works. You give it a little shake and you're all good. Good to go. Let me put them back and I'll be back with you. Now this next pouch can't actually be opened. Well, I accidentally jammed it the other day, but inside of it, it's an easy reach. Is cam cream, 5-colour cam cream. That's the American one. But in here I've British issued cam cream, which is this one right here. Quite hard to open just with one hand. There we go. That's British issued cam cream. Doesn't have a mirror because this one's the old version, but the new version does. Now on to the next pouch. Now, in this next pouch is where the magic is held. In this pouch I have a bottle of .12 Bulldog BBs, a tub of 0.2 gram ultrasonic polish BBs, and right at the bottom I just have some crappy BBs just in case. Normally if I'm not playing a game I also keep my speed loader in there. This is a Bulldog speed loader, really nice, but that goes in there if I'm just keeping it for storage. But I played a game the other day and it was out. Now let me put all that back in and we'll move right on. Now moving on, I have this DPM camo hat. I've forgotten its proper name, but it has spots for you to put branches and leaves. It's waterproof and it has a nice little toggle just to keep it tight on your head. Inside that hat I keep a Swiss Army knife. There's a pocket right at the top and this Swiss Army knife lives in it. And this is this Swiss Army knife has a knife, a saw, a bottle opener, some nail clippers and a toothpick. Thank you Rifleman for watching. Now all you need to do now is like, comment down below and subscribe See you next time, riflemen. Have a good time.